honor to stand before you tonight as we celebrate something extraordinary. Not just a graduation, but a milestone, a movement, and a promise fulfilled. To our community health worker graduates, this night belongs to you.
The Extension Community Worker Program is about empowerment. Empowering you, the graduates, to make real and lasting change in your communities.
You're going to impact a lot of people that need your service. So what you're going to do in the future moving forward is very, very important.
I love to learn and I love to teach, and it was a pleasure and an honor to instruct during some of the community health worker sessions. And the thing that amazed me was how animated and how interactive everyone was in the class.
You completed 13 weeks, 13 long weeks, 100 classroom hours, and 130 practicum hours that shaped how you think, how you listen, and how you engage.
This experience has been something that has been definitely enjoyable. It was a ride. It was a ride of dedication, a lot of sacrifice, but most importantly, a reward to myself.